Wagwan my people, Dancehall Skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so my people, I got an update about an incident where it is said that a man was shot and killed within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica. And there's also at least one video circulating on social media about the incident. And that video that I'm talking about shows some things that happened on the day when the person was shot and killed. So may I say, some people might say the video shows how the person was shot and killed. But anyway, so according to information that I got, it is said that police say that a 19-year-old person was charged with the murder of a man. And it is said that the man who was shot and killed is believed to be of unsound mind, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that the incident happened within an area in Seaview Gardens, St. Andrew, Jamaica, and that the man who was shot and killed on April 6 has been identified as a person who is said to be in his 20s and goes by the last name of Smith. And it is said that the person is also called Greg. So according to more information that I got, it is said that the person who had been charged with the murder of the person who is believed to be of unsound mind goes by the last name of Davis. And it is said that the person is also called Dragon. So may I say, so according to police, that person who had been charged is said to be a student and is of a Seaview Gardens address. So according to information that I got, it is said that residents had reported that Smith was killed near a certain location within the area, and that they say men from that area are in conflict with those from a certain location where the man who had been shot and killed live. So what I'm saying to you, so according to more information that I got, it is said that the residents surmised that the man who is believed to be of unsound mind might have been killed because he had strayed, viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that Smith was sitting along the pathway when he was pounced upon by a gunman who was traveling on foot, and that the gunman opened fire, hitting him in the head, viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that the man escaped from the area. So it is said that police are appealing to persons who may have seen or witnessed any other incidents to share information with the police. It is said that police also say other things as well to viewers and subscribers. So that's the information that I got. Alright, on to another topic. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a type of beverage that I have not seen for a very long time, viewers and subscribers. I mean quite a number of years I haven't seen this type of beverage within the country of Jamaica. And in my point of view, some persons who born after the year 2000 within the country of Jamaica might not even know anything, or might have not even seen a beverage like this, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, some people who born before the year 2000 within the country of Jamaica might call a beverage like this that you can see in the video soft drinks. Some people who born before the year 2000 might call it bottle drinks, or just D&G, or just D&G soda, or D&G beverage, all different type of names. Yes, so me I say some people might even call it soda as well. Yes, so me I say, viewers and subscribers, so more I take a look at this video and tell me if you remember this type of beverage. And I'm talking about persons who born before the year 2000, and if you're born after the year 2000 and know about this type of beverage, let me know. You understand? Anyways, here's the video. Look, observe, tell me what you think.
Seal, see me, never pull. Seal. See there? Who never know this type of drink back in the days. There it is. That's what the D&G soft drink look like. Seal. Never pull.
The people that really and truly put on a long time, man. I mean, look on the cap. Look on the buckle cap. You see? Alright, so I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I leave that video with you, I want to take a look at this picture right here. Yeah, this picture right here. Yeah, so in my point of view, this picture shows parts of someone's body touching certain items in a certain way that I don't think some people might appreciate. Yes, so my viewers and subscribers, I mean, just imagine you go inside of a food store or a supermarket or some from a store to buy certain items, and somehow you realize that someone do certain things or something to certain items like that. You see me and some people, you know, me hear someone say, what you don't know might not hurt you, but in my point of view, you know, that might not always be true. You see me and some viewers and subscribers, yeah, you know, even though I know say I have some people out there in the world who eat some bad things, that's what I say. But anyways, that means to say if so tell me what you think about that picture of viewers and subscribers and a real. Alright, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell also so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least 2 persons, viewers and subscribers. Now, the reason why I said at least 2 persons is because I can hear more than 2 persons talking in the video. And in my point of view, it seems as if at least one of those persons was really upset, because in the video, at least one person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person told someone, "Don't touch my phone," and you grab my phone. Viewers and subscribers, I might be surprised to hear some of the words that that person said as well. You see me I say? And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. You see me I say? I also saw a piece of video that shows when a person moved at least one of his hands a certain way towards a device that was video recorded. Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. Viewers and subscribers, I know that you have some persons who do not like being video recorded, whether they're in the public or not. You see me I say? But more I take a look at this video and tell me what I think about the situation. And please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's a video. Look, listen, observe, tell me what you think, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Skilla, big up.
Don't put your hand on my phone. Don't put your hand on my phone. Don't put your hand on my phone.
Who permission to tell you about me? Who permission?
What you touching my phone for? What you touching my phone for?
Public space on the.
You in a public space. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. You're going mad over. You're going mad over. You're going carried away. You're going carried away. You want to stay in this store today, or? You want to stay in this store today, or? You want to don't come on this store today? You know who you're playing with?
Relax yourself.
You know who you're playing with? He grabbed the phone and put it behind the desk. He grabbed my phone.
Relax.
Grab my phone. He going mad. Grab my phone. He going mad. Grab my phone. Madness. Grab my phone. You grab my phone. Just now, darling. Just now. I want to know if this one just grabbed my phone here.
Let us speak outside first.
Going mad or you grab my phone, you know who's me? Man, make you walk on your head. You know who is me? You know who is me? But you don't know who is me, but you'll walk on your head. You'll walk on your head. You know who is me? You know who is me? Boy. Paul Gasham, tell him come here now. Tell him come here now. Where's your man's grocery? Tell him come here now. Wait now. Yeah, but he don't know his place. So you grab my phone. You grab my phone. You know who is me? I am picture. You know who is me? They call me the fucking magic screen bitch. You know who is me? I'll make you walk on your head. Oh God, why are you only trying to calm me down? Why are you only trying to calm me down?
Yeah, but the issue with the problem won't cause if the cash didn't talk like that in the first place.
I don't know what happened.
But that is why he is supposed to come and try to resolve it before he comes to grab people phone. He needs to be fired or send him.
Who he grabbing my phone?